Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Gavin.
Hey, I'm Nathan.
We're both second year industrial design majors, and today we will be showing you a tour of the coolest major here at RIT. Welcome to the industrial design floor. Now, one of the main things you'll notice right when you first get here are these beautiful shelves. Now, these shelves showcase a bunch of student work from, across multiple semesters. It's always been one of my favorite parts of the studio because I really just get to see what my fellow students are up to. So now I'm going to show you some of the classroom areas, if you would just follow me again. Right as we enter the studio here, you can see there's always tons of student work being displayed. Follow me in here now. This classroom is kind of an area that's used for multiple different things. There's a freshman design drawing class down here, as well as lots of other clubs and meetings that also take place in this area. Has very nice natural sunlight, as you'll notice a theme in the rest of the studio. So yeah, nice space. Let's move on. So this is the sophomore area. Really great space for students to work and tons of classes. This is where I had my first 8 a.m. studio class last semester. Lots of great times. And if you look over here, these shelves contain all of students' personal boxes that they have all the supplies, materials in. Very chaotic, but also, very fun. Heading over this way now, we're heading into our senior space. This is where seniors are primarily working on their capstone or anything else they got going on. Also, this area is used for lots of fun activities, such as like seasonal events. We also had some alumni come in a few months ago and give a little talk. That was a lot of fun. And yeah, just another great space for students to work. All right, so we're gonna show you the computer lab now. Follow me.
This is our 24-hour access computer lab open to all industrial design students. I am currently taking my first CAD course in here. It's really fun, but you can also go more than CAD. You have all these other softwares you can learn just in this computer lab. This right here is our software studio. I've spent dozens of hours of creating here with my peers, working on projects together, working on my personal projects, and I love it so much here. Now if you just follow me over here, I'm going to show you our main studio workshop. Here's our spray can cabinet, where students keep their spray paint, gloss, and all of their materials they need for spraying. Here's our amazing studio. You can see there are a few students working right now on projects. Over here is our lockers. This is our amazing scrap bin with all different materials that are all free to use. We have our sanding mats here, cutting mats. We have our nice hot glue guns right here. Over here we have a bunch of metal bits and pieces that are open to take for us. As you can see, we have safety things. We gotta wear our glasses. And here is our shop with amazing tools. And also more tools over here, all the machines you need to create your projects. Over here, we have our cabinet full of many other different tools. Wire cutters, drafting tools, wrenches. Over here, we have every drill bit you can imagine. On this shelf, this shelf, this shelf, all very organized. Here is our shelf full of clamps. Of course, we have our amazing shop monitors working here and helping us with any questions we have. This place is great. We're so lucky to have access to this shop.
All right, now it's time to head over to the last section of our studio. Before we head over there, I just want to point out these awesome tables that we have. I absolutely love sitting here doing work between classes. It gets so much nice natural sunlight, and I always feel very focused and very happy when I'm itching away doing my thing. All right, over here. So this is another great area for students to work. This section right here is actually where our Industrial Design Club Sketch Tuesday is held. Sketch Tuesday is a really cool club where students basically come together from all different years and literally just draw. Obviously drawing is the foundation of industrial design at the end of the day. Nothing beats a good sketch, and this is a great opportunity to do it right here. Another really cool thing I want to show you real quick is our spray booth. So this room is super cool. Anytime you need to spray paint something, you come in here. We have a giant fan that kind of ventilates the room perfectly. Of course, you wear proper masks and breathing protection, of course. But if you need to spray paint something, this is the perfect area to do it in. It's fantastic. Another really cool area over here is our photo booth area. Once you're done with the project and you need a good image for your final submission, this is where you go. Turn on this light here. You just have a great professional looking area to shoot all pictures of your prototypes, projects, you name it. And we can't forget about the soft goods studio down the hall that has industrial sewing machines and everything else you need to make everything from bags to clothes. It's really cool. All right, time to head to the last section. And this is our graduate design studio. So if you follow me, All our graduate students have their own little area back here. It's super cool. They have their own set of 3D printers that they are able to use. This classroom back here is mostly for first year graduate student classes. It's really nice. And then over here on this side is where the second year graduate classes normally take place. As you can see, it's just another amazing space to work and collaborate and come up with great ideas as we, as industrial designers, do. Yeah, so it's great. Thank you so much for joining us on this studio tour. I can't stress enough how much I love this studio. It's a pleasure to come here every day for classes, and I just love industrial design here at RIT so much.
I agree with Gavin. I love working here and having the opportunity and resources to bring our creative ideas to life.
Thank you so much. Bye.